Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you the differences and I'm going to compare the two cryptocurrency research and portfolio apps. First one is CoinStats and the second one is CoinTracker. We will go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about these two products and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. If you are interested in them, I will leave the link in the descriptions underneath the video. So let's start with CoinStats. CoinStats is a cryptocurrency research and portfolio tracker app. You can search through the list of more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies, visit their local pages and websites to make research-based investment decisions. CoinStats features also includes the ability to set price alerts to currencies, read the related news and cryptocurrency converted. On top of that, you can add your cryptocurrency trades into CoinStats for tracking your net worth and profit loss, including by connecting your wallets and exchange accounts for autosync. So when you see and when you finally go to CoinStats.app, you will see the pretty nice UI in the night mode. You can also go day mode, but I don't really recommend that. Straight away from the look, you can see something that it's on every single crypto research app, and that's all the cryptocurrencies. Obviously starting with Bitcoin, going Ethereum and Binance. But there's more than 6,000 of them, so really there's a lot of approaches, a lot of cryptos to pick from. But let's, for example, go with Avalanche. You can see in here when you go AVAX the life cycle, you can see the highs, you can see the lows. You can straight away go to Avalanche website and get to know more about the crypto you are about to invest. For all of this, I'm signed in. You don't have to sign if you don't want to, but if you really want to go through it, I strongly recommend to log in or sign in. We can go with community of AVAX, then explorers and the contract as well. In here we have the overview, the life cycle as I told you. You can compare it to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then we have some news, markets where you can buy AVAX, some holdings, team updates and on-chain data. And in the end you can learn more about the Avalanche. If you go through it all, you can check, and let's go to live prices, which is basically a refresh of the website, and then to pricing. If you really want something more or something special, we have a pro or premium approach or subscriptions. With pro you go 10 exchange connections, 10 wallet connections, up to 1000 transactions, coin insights and unlimited access to iOS and Android. And with premium you go with unlimited basically of all except the 100,000 transactions. And if you're a team or a community, they have this option for you to show you that you can do it even group wise. So what about the CoinTracker? Well, CoinTracker is one of the recently launched startups trying to help. Part of YC Winter 18 class, it's a platform to track your crypto across all exchanges, wallets and even currencies. Today most crypto enthusiasts try to do this using complicated and bloated Google spreadsheets. But that only works if you're meticulous about recording each transfer and trade, and have been so since you made your first crypto purchase. Well, CoinTracker tries to automate this process. You start by connecting it to every exchange you use. They currently support 13, but can also add a public address to any wallet that holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, and it will automatically read the balance and update it in your portfolio. If you hold other coins, well, I believe they support like 2,000 of them and more, you have to enter those manually, inputting how much you paid for them and on what date. It's very useful thing to actually run a CoinTracker, and I just strongly recommend trying CoinTracker to show you how it's done, because it's so hard to explain, and the best way to learn about it, it's so complex that you have to try it on yourself. But they're very thorough. They are really doing a great job by going through all your purchases and sales and stuff like that. In my opinion, I really like CoinStats more, but if you're a bigger company, CoinTracker will do the job for you. If you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.